Hey guys, my name's Isaac, and in this tutorial I'm going to be taking you through step by step how to create an incredible personal brand or portfolio website. Whether you're a YouTuber, entrepreneur, musician, freelancer, coach, filmmaker or photographer, it's absolutely vital that you have a strong and professional website that represents you and your personal brand. The problem is that this can often be extremely expensive and time consuming. Well, not anymore. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is to create a professional, personal website without having to spend thousands of dollars hiring someone to do it for you, or even needing to learn a single line of code. I've based this website off of some of the biggest influencers on the planet and the top people in personal branding, many of which most likely spent thousands of dollars on their websites. But believe it or not, this incredibly clean and modern website that you're seeing before you was entirely created through a program called WordPress, and using a completely free theme that I've used as a base for building the website. And I'm going to be walking you through step by step exactly how to make it. I've made this tutorial simple yet detailed enough that anyone can follow it. Once you see just how easy it is to use the drag and drop builder that I'm going to be showing you how to use, you'll be amazed just how easily you can create a completely unique website for building your personal brand or showing off your work. But I'm not just going to be covering building your own website. I'm also going to be showing you how you can start to grow your influence and impact by showing you just how easily you can create your very own mailing list sign up form and start growing your audience. I'm also going to be providing you with downloadable image templates and placeholders just to make things that little bit easier. In short, I'll be giving you everything you need in order to create a lasting impression on your audience or clients. It's my hope that I can take as much of the guesswork and expenses involved with creating your own website so that you can continue to go out there and follow your passions and dreams. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the course.